Good morning, YouTube. You're watching Limitless North TV. I'm Makai Block, and we're talking about 12 major axioms on investing and ventures and how to handle the financial sector of your life, as well as how these apply to other areas of life. Today, we are talking about major axiom number 10, consensus. And it's going to be a really brief one, but I'm going to read this and then we're going to break it down really fast. So, disregard the majority opinion. It's probably wrong. Probably wrong. Figure everything out for yourself. The minor axiom number 14 that goes along with this is never follow speculative fads. Often the best time to buy something is when no one else wants it. Okay, really interesting axiom there. That the typical ideology in investing is if you see the majority going one way, run from it. You'll hear Warren Buffett say that a lot. And so this is kind of just on consensus. Disregard the majority opinion. It's probably wrong. So figure everything out for yourself. Don't just go with somebody if the whole world seems to be going one way. Really figure it out yourself. Put in your due diligence and understand it. Now, there are great investments that draw everybody to it. And that doesn't mean you should bail. It doesn't mean it's the wrong thing. But you need to understand why they are great investments and why everybody's going to it. Oftentimes, investments will pop up that get exciting and everybody goes to them, but that nobody has a real understanding of why they're going to it. And it's really not a good investment, but there's excitement around it, so everybody goes and then everyone ends up losing. So always do the due diligence yourself. Never follow speculative fads. Obviously, you want to understand the difference between a fad and a trend, right? You can follow trends, but you should never follow fads because they're so short-lived that it's very easy to lose. So often, the best time to buy something is when no one else wants it. You always want to buy low, not buy high, right? And that's what happens when everybody's going as the price drives up. People continue to buy high and high and high, and then the people that were in early that have made all this money because everybody's going there drop it, and then the bottom drops out, and then everybody that bought high ends up losing out. So you always want to buy stuff when no one else seems to want it if it's a good investment, right? So you want to buy low and obviously sell high. So the major axiom number 11 that we're going to talk about tomorrow is on stubbornness. This is a great one to understand how it impacts and affects your investing and your finances. So I'll see you there tomorrow. God bless you guys. Like the video, give it a thumbs up. It helps a lot to build this online community. And then, of course, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you tomorrow for major axiom number 11 on stubbornness. Hi, I'm Makai Block. Welcome to Limitless North TV. I want you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. You might ask yourself, why should I? Every week, I'll be developing and delivering quality videos focused on helping you become a high-value, high-achieving entrepreneur. To earn more and increase your income, to build and grow your wealth, and to make insightful and impactful changes to the way that you live your life and run your businesses. You will be challenged. You will be inspired. I will motivate you to hit that next level in your life, to overcome your obstacles, and to quit struggling through your mediocrity. But most importantly, I'll be developing and delivering strategies and ideas, tips, tricks, habits, and tools that you can begin implementing in your life today to see the success and the change that you've been hoping for. So go ahead, hit that subscribe button, turn on the post notifications so you don't miss a single episode, and I will see you on the next one. I guarantee you, and I promise you, that you won't regret it. Welcome to Limitless North.